78 days until GCSE Maths Paper 1. Let's revise over some angle rules. I'll show you how to use the new Learn Mode on Medley to add to your revision notes. Picking out the key information from this page, angles at a point add to 360. This is shown by figure 1. A quarter turn or a right angle is 90 degrees as shown by figure 2. And a half turn or a straight line is 180 degrees as shown by figure 3. As we revise over each rule, we also have the comprehension questions. So for this one, what do all the angles around a single point add up to? The correct answer should be 360 degrees. Here is a worked example using this rule. Labelled we have angles of 120 degrees, 85 degrees and the right angle which is 90 degrees. It shows us how to work this one out. First we add all of the angles that we know, so 120 plus 85 plus 90, which is a total of 295 degrees. Then to find our missing angle, because angles around a point sum to 360, we can take this from 360, leaving us with x has to be equal to 65 degrees. Here's another one for us to have a go at. 3 angles around a point add up to 250 degrees. What is the size of the remaining angle? Well, the angles have to add up to 360 degrees. 360 minus 250 will be 110 degrees. Let's try another one. For the next question, at point P, 4 angles are x, 2x, 3x and 90. Work out the value of x. In total, if we collect our like terms together, we have a total of 6x plus 90 degrees. And this has to be equal to 360. To solve for x, let's start by taking 90 from both sides. This will give us 6x is equal to 270. Then to get x on its own, divide through by 6. And x must be equal to 45 degrees. There's plenty more questions to have a go at. I'm going to skip past these and see which angle rule comes up next. Next we have angles in parallel lines. Figure 1 shows that corresponding angles are equal and figure 2 shows that alternate angles are equal. Having a look at one of these questions, what will angle x be? We know that alternate angles are equal, so x has to be equal to 55 degrees. Once you've completed Learn Mode, you can then go on to Practice Mode, where you can apply the rules you've learned to the exam style questions, which are quite harder in comparison. I hope you can find this useful for your revision.